What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ben Khalifa. I have a compilation of Aaron the Plumber's Crash Out. Let's go.
Hi.
Hey, what
Where's
it do,
him?
Ski, babe?
doing?
Oh, man, Ski. You know what I'm saying?
What's
You
up?
looking bright.
What you want, a
Can we get a
360?
360 though? You know what I'm saying? Okay.
Oh my
Real
goodness.
petite though, you know what I'm saying?
Come on, Papa, she don't want you.
Hey, bro, she definitely want me.
Like a black and mild box. Let's see if you saw. Oh yeah, for
In a
sure.
real
Okay,
way.
Hey, bro, you don't get paid for all that.
All right. This my question though.
But she fine, don't turn around.
Y'all like a girl? Y'all gonna let me damn. Y'all gonna let me ask my question?
All right, go ahead.
Yeah. All right. Everybody stand back.
Yo, question. Why you got a security guard?
You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, you don't about me? Yeah. To the home. In the air. In the air. Get him up on me. Get him up on me.
You slid out of that bitch.
You got slept.
Watch out, man. Get home. Weird ass. You know what I'm saying?
He needs some milk.
Let's get back to the
Now this chick came with her boyfriend and the rest was history. Watch.
Bro, what the hell, man? Y'all don't even need no security.
Ain't nobody worried about none of that.
You don't need no security. Like,
Let's just go.
you don't need no security.
She ain't talking about
nothing. You ain't talking about
Who ain't?
You ain't talking about. You ain't talking about. You ain't talking
Come on.
You still broke. Oh my God. Oh, come on. What the?
Let's do the video. Let's do the video.
Come on.
Yo.
No.
Yo.
We not worried about none of that.
Yo, let's do the video. Let's get back to the video. Let's get back to the video. What happened? I'm saying what happened? What happened?
He broke in the bed.
disrespect me. He called me
Bro, stop recording. Y'all chill.
What do you think about this security guard fight? Was it a script or not?
bro. So I ain't gonna lie, bro. I want y'all to have that, bro. I want y'all to do it to her, bro.
What you mean?
I want you. You can have her, bro.
Have a job. What you mean?
I'm dead ass. Hey, bro. I want y'all to. Bro, y'all can have her. I'm not talking to you. Bro, what the f you doing?
Fight! Take his shirt off! Pat away, hit my hand! Yeah! Don't do wrong! Nigga, put your fucking ass back.
Eat that though. You know what I'm saying? I ain't like that shit earlier, bro. That shit. What the fuck is taking off that shirt so high? We gotta get that money though. What you trying to do, bro? I want us though. I think outside.
And you better fucking win. You better fucking win, cause this shit gas roll around this bitch.
That's what we doing?
Now in this part, Aaron broke his character. Wait, you'll see for yourself.
You got ashy kneecaps. Them motherfuckers.
Yo, zoom in on the kneecaps.
Dead homie. Look at them motherfuckers. Ashy, no lotion. Spit shine them motherfuckers.
Look at you.
Hold on. Them boxing boots. Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Hold on, let me get it.
Put them heavy.
I still can't get it.
Hold on.
Still can't get it.
Pop a balloon. You know what I'm saying? That's them motherfuckers rubber.
Damn, you that mad because your song was so
and trash, and you can't rap, and you can't rap, and you can't rap. You can't rap. It don't matter. It don't matter. You can't rap. You can't rap. You can't rap.
Who knows you? Nobody knows you.
And who wants to?
Come on, baby.
I put a step on it.
Redhead. She ugly as fuck. Redhead. She.
I'm ugly.
Red hold on.
Bro, them ain't the real Gucci, bro. The Gucci.
I ain't the Gucci, bro.
You see right here, this is where he broke his character.
Talking ain't got no neck, but I ain't got no story to respond.
Give me this motherfucker. Give me this mic. Give me this mic.
And his voice is somehow breaking. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Give me this mic.
Don't do that.
You know what I'm saying? In a real way.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Or else what? Or else what?
Stay down. Stay
Or else
down.
what?
Stay down. Stay.
Or else what? Dead homies ain't nobody gonna touch me.
Focus.
Dead homies ain't nobody gonna touch me.
Focus.
Yeah.
Matter if a nigga YouTube or not, I'm a gangster though too though. Don't get that nigga screwed. Okay, this my nigga though. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Oh, okay, don't talk to the homie like that though. Oh well, okay, what you saying? What you saying? You see if I did what? Yo. Come on. YouTuber and all that. What they got to do with anything? I'm just saying. Okay, bro, don't matter. Nigga, don't talk to the homie like that. The nigga don't want to buy none of your stuff. All right, bro. Disrespectful. Yeah, for sure, nigga.
Big up La Mike, I'm out.